Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about the on-trend butterfly ranunculus. They're so beautiful, they look so delicate, but in reality, they're super long-lasting. The curvature is graceful, they bounce. To make them last the longest, remove the side foliage. You want that gone. Then give it a fresh cut. Place it in quick dip, and then put it in a holding container, pre-mixed with flower food. Now, as the blooms age, they'll turn almost metallic, but even then, they hold a very long time. Ranunculus, butterfly style, sure to be a favorite. Now you know how the pros do it.